And welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today we are going to explore some simple home remedies for treating acid reflux. Acid reflux is when acid from your stomach moves backwards into your esophagus and your throat. Between the esophagus and the stomach is an entrance made up of a ring of muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter. This muscle opens up when we eat to allow food to enter the stomach, and it will normally close up immediately after food passes through it. When it doesn't close up as normal or it opens up far too often, then acid from the stomach can move up into the esophagus. When acid moves up into the esophagus, then there is a burning sensation and a discomfort in the chest, which we normally experience as a heartburn. When acid reflux symptoms happen more than twice in the week, then you may have gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. Now, there are so many reasons why acid would move from the stomach into the esophagus. This would happen when there is a prolonged or slow emptying of the stomach. When you have hiatus hernia, which is when part of the stomach moves up into your chest. Pregnancy can also cause acid reflux. Other reasons include obesity, some foods that we eat, such as spicy foods, citrus fruits, fatty foods, caffeine-containing drinks, such as tea, coffee, and energy drinks, excessive alcohol consumption, and smoking. Some medications, typically anti-inflammatory drugs, examples are ibuprofen, naproxen, and diclofenac. Other causes include stress and anxiety, as well as abnormalities in the lower gastroesophageal sphincter. That is when the opening and closing of the gastroesophageal sphincter, that is the ring between the esophagus and the stomach, is not as it should be. Apart from you developing a heartburn, which is the pain that normally comes on in your chest after you eat or when you lie down, there are other symptoms as well that can develop when acid reflux occurs, and these include nausea, a sour taste in your mouth, burping, a bad breath, and a feeling of a lump in your throat. Now let's explore 7 simple, tried and tested, effective home remedies for acid reflux. The first one is to eat smaller and more frequent meals to reduce the pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter. So the key here is avoid eating large meals so as to reduce the pressure that you put on your lower esophageal sphincter. Before you eat any food, ask yourself, am I really hungry? And if you're not, then don't eat. The second home remedy for acid reflux treatment is to avoid foods that serve as triggers. So as much as possible, avoid caffeine-containing drinks such as tea, coffee, and energy drinks. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemon, lime, and grapefruits. Other foods you need to avoid include chocolate, spicy, and fatty foods, especially at night. Make sure you eat your last meal for the day 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. The best thing to do is to consume foods with high fiber, especially your fruits and vegetables. And if you're thirsty, go for water or fruit tea. The third thing that you can do to treat acid reflux at home is to quit smoking if you do smoke. There's been studies to prove that quitting smoking can help in the treatment of acid reflux. If you want to quit smoking, visit your local community pharmacy and speak to your pharmacist. There are nicotine replacement products that you can purchase from your local community pharmacy, and there are smoking cessation programs that you can join to help you quit smoking. Now think about it. Apart from the health benefits that you can derive from quitting smoking, you can save a lot of money as well. Now, number 4, which is one of the most effective treatments for acid reflux, is to raise the head of your bed. Now, raise the head of your bed by about 10 to 20 centimeters so that when you lie down, your head and your chest are above your stomach and your waist. Sleep on your left side, the reason being that the stomach is on the left side of the abdomen. And lying on your left side puts the stomach below the esophagus, hence there is no pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter. Carrying out these acts prevents acid from moving upwards from your stomach into the esophagus. Now, number 5, practice relaxation techniques to keep the body calm from stress. As I said earlier on, one of the reasons why you would experience acid reflux and heartburn is stress and anxiety. As much as possible, carry out techniques that would keep your body from stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are not good for the body. When you feel stressed out and anxious, practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation. These have been proven to be very effective at calming the body down. Number 6, losing weight can also help in the treatment of acid reflux and heartburn. Losing weight can help reduce the fat around your abdomen, which can in turn reduce the pressure on your stomach and your lower esophageal sphincter, and this would in turn prevent acid from moving upwards from your stomach into the esophagus. And finally, do not wear clothes that are tight around your waist. Doing this can put pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter and on your stomach and push acid upwards from your stomach into the esophagus. Rather than wearing a trousers that you need to tie a belt, wear dresses that are loose on your body or wear skirts that are loosely fitted on your waist. Also wear low-rise underwears. I hope this video on acid reflux treatment at home is beneficial. Please don't go without giving this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative content. Subscription is free. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.